Hello friends, I am back with another IKEA video for you. So today we're going to be talking about all of my favorite designer approved IKEA finds for under $100 because sometimes you just need a little retail therapy that's not going to break the bank. Now I am in Canada. All of these prices are going to be in Canadian dollars. So if you happen to be American, just keep in mind that these are going to cost you even less. How nice for you. So are we ready? Let's get into it. All right, let's begin with the really cheap and cheerful, like these tea towels. Who among us couldn't use a few more tea towels, especially when they work out to $1 a piece? These are just good, classic stripes and checks. The colors are good, the neutrals are good, you can't go wrong. And if you are someone that likes to use tea towels as reusable gift wrap, these would be perfect. So I was hoping that I could see this tea light holder in person. This is part of the collab that IKEA did with Gustav Westman, but my IKEA store didn't have them. So I did end up finding these, and I also thought that these were great. They come in a more neutral color combination, but as a girl that likes color, you know I was drawn to these ones. I like this color pairing. I, of course, like the price point, and I like the adaptability of these. You can use them together, you can use them separately. I think these are really cute. These are a great mug. My store didn't have the green ones. They only had these, but I think these are great for this time of year, especially a popular color to be using in the fall. I like the size of these. I like that they have a really nice large handle. Just a very nice mug. Great little vase at such a good price point. I like the color, again, very appropriate for fall. I like the ombre effect. Now, Canadians, we have already had our Thanksgiving, but Americans, you haven't had yours yet. And I think these would make a great centerpiece for your Thanksgiving table. I really like these little hooks. I like individual hooks because it just gives you more flexibility in how you use them. You can install them close together or spread them further apart. You can stagger them at different heights. I like the adaptability of that. These ones are self-adhesive, so really easy to install. Perfect in a bathroom if you're trying to place them on top of tile. But I also think these could be used for lots of different functions in lots of rooms of the house. Okay, moving up a little bit in price point. First up, we have these. Oh, I just realized I haven't actually been attempting to say the name of any of these products. Does anybody care to hear me struggle through them? I don't know. Anyway, this pegboard I'm sure you're familiar with. IKEA has carried them for a while now, and I think that these are genius. They are just so functional. You can use them in so many different spaces for so many different purposes. They're so practical. I like how they come in different sizes, different finishes, have different attachments depending how you're going to use them. I also like that they've introduced some more colorful options. I think that these are fun. Although I did also notice that these said now or never, so maybe they're not keeping the more colorful options. So if you like these, you might want to go and get them before they're gone. Okay, the Gladam tray tables, I think, have just become an IKEA staple at this point. Such a clean, simple design that I think works really well in so many different spaces. I appreciate that they've been adding additional color options to give you even more flexibility. I especially like this green color that they had on display at the store near me. These are great. I mean, for this price point, you really can't beat this. Okay, so this one was also out of stock. I didn't get to see this in person, but I love a good footed bowl. I think they look great left out on display in a kitchen. I like the color and finish of this one, very neutral, easy to work with, doesn't scream IKEA. And footed bowls can actually be quite pricey, so I feel like this one is very reasonable. These little serving trays, I mean, for $12.99, why not? I like the colors. I especially like the splatter paint finish. Really fun, great for entertaining. IKEA is just a great source for affordable vessels and vases. I really like this one. I like the shape. I like the color. You know, a vase like this looks great on its own, but it's also a great way of making even the most basic of grocery store bouquets feel more interesting and elevated. So these Stockholm glasses, I think I have maybe mentioned these before, but they're really good, so I'm gonna mention them again. Now, these are not the cheapest drinking glass that you can find at IKEA, but they look expensive. So I feel like given the design of these, that the slightly higher price point is justified. I like the straight, clean lines. I like the curve of the base. I don't own any of these, but I feel like I should. So if you're looking for a wall clock, I think that this is a really great option, especially when it's so inexpensive. The red is a great pop of color, but the white is just a good classic option as well. I think the design of this is just really timeless. This is never gonna feel dated. Now, if you're looking for something colorful that's a bit larger, I think the orange one beside them, also a really good option. I always like to check IKEA for fun, colorful, patterned cushion covers. I first saw this one online, wasn't really sure how I felt about it, but then when I saw it in person, I actually thought it was quite nice. The quality looked pretty decent, and it's got a bit of a Mari Meko vibe to it that I was really into. I also really like this one if you're looking for a bit of a mid-century modern feel, but want to keep it more neutral. Okay, we are keeping it under $50 now. Now this photo table lamp, they've had this for a while. I think this is great. This is a great light for when you're wanting to add a light source, but you don't want a big statement lamp. This one is quite subtle, nice and low profile. Just please use a warm white bulb in it. Do not use a cool bulb like what they did in the store. Thank you. So I first saw this table lamp online and I was curious about it. Wasn't super impressed when I saw it in person. It just felt a little cheap, a little flimsy. I mean, it is only $12.99, so I guess really what can you expect? But I'm not going to recommend this one. I am, however, going to recommend this one. When I saw this in store, I quite liked this. This one felt much better quality. Comes in red, you know I like the red option, but of course the white is good too. Also love the fact it's got the USB charger, very handy. Just a nice, clean, modern design, just a nice lamp. Now most of the dining chairs at IKEA that I like do tend to be over $100, but for $45, I mean, I really don't think you can go too wrong with this one. It comes in black, comes in white, but I do really like this blue color. I think this is fun. And the design of this, it's a bit chunky. It feels substantial. So even though it is mostly plastic, it doesn't feel flimsy. And I also like that this chair is stackable. So in last week's video, I mentioned a styling trick that I really like in a kitchen is layering some wood cutting boards against a kitchen backsplash, and I think this one would work really well for that. But this is also the ideal size for your next charcuterie board. I do love a good charcuterie board. Was I almost distracted by the green plates? Yes, I was. But I think a good classic set of white dishware is always a good idea. And I particularly like this one. I like the really clean, simple design of this. Now I wanted to see this set in person because I really wanted to check out the size of the bowl. I am very particular about bowl size. I like a good, substantial, like cereal bowl with my dishes, but they didn't have one out on display, so I still can't really confirm. From the photos, it looks like it's a pretty good size, but I don't know. Maybe it's just me, maybe you don't even care. So I spotted this towel rail in store and I was just really drawn to the design of this. I think it's actually part of a collection of bathroom safety fixtures, but to me it just looks like a cool towel bar. I really like the flexibility of these Lindman mirrors. There are just so many different ways you can hang these, different configurations you can put together. The black is fine, but of course, I love the red. I love the red so much, I put these in my own house. So when I recommend these, you know I really mean it. So this one was not in stock. I didn't get to see it in person, and I was really bummed about that. I really wanted to check this one out because I think this is great. Now, this is maybe intended to just be a seasonal item, but I actually love the idea of having a lamp like this in your home year-round. Just a fun, whimsical, quirky conversation piece that's going to bring so much personality to a space. Okay, here we go. Most expensive category, everything under $100. So IKEA has lots of great options for stools. I have mentioned a few of them in past videos, but this one is new and I like this. I like that it's got a bit of a utilitarian feel to it. Now, this could be used in a variety of ways in a lot of different spaces. I think this would be great occasional seating with a really sleek, streamlined dining table, but could also be good in a home office. I think $50 is very reasonable for such a practical, versatile little storage cabinet like this. So many uses for this. It would be great in a bedroom, a bathroom, a laundry room, a home office, you name it. I'm all about the natural fibers for an area rug, and this one is 100% cotton. Very neutral, but the narrow red stripe makes it a little more interesting. Easy, simple, and an insanely good price. If you're looking for an inexpensive light filtering drapery panel, I think these are a very solid choice. These would look especially good covering a wall from end to end, floor to ceiling, with a ceiling mounted track. Something like in this inspo image here. Such a good mirror, such a great price. It comes in white, it comes in black, and I have both. If you are looking for a really clean, minimal dining table to contrast a statement chair, where else are you going to find one for under $100? I really like the round, but the rectangular is good too. So this Bog Boda table has a great retro feel to it, which makes a lot of sense because it was designed in 1971. So this is part of the Natilvercad collection of reissued iconic IKEA designs, and I've liked pretty much every piece they've brought back, this table included. The good old Lack collection. Where else are you going to find such a timeless console table for under $100? I do wish there were more finish options though. Again, another piece from the Lack collection. I just think these shelves can look so good when they've been styled well. And the narrow wall-mounted design makes this an easy fit in spots you couldn't otherwise fit any sort of shelving unit. The ECAT series, I think, is just such a clever concept. The different options for open and closed storage, the variety of colors, the seemingly endless install options and combinations. Such a great way of incorporating storage into a small or awkward space. So this is a piece I did originally see online, didn't really think much of it, but in person, I was actually quite impressed. It's got a Scandinavian vibe to it that I appreciate. Just a good, simple floor lamp. All right, friends, there's my list of top picks for items under $100 Canadian at IKEA. Now, if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like, maybe subscribe if you haven't already. I also noticed at IKEA that it looked like all the holiday stuff was in. So if you're interested in a video about IKEA's Christmas collection, leave me a comment, let me know. Thanks so much for being here. I hope we see you at the next one, and bye for now.